Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Home Gardening 480. This video is a how to repair a water line. If you remember when we were putting the sweet potatoes in, Sonia was using this tool to turn the dirt, and she accidentally pinched and poked a hole in the water line.
Thought it was more.
And when the irrigation came on in the morning, water was just shooting out from somewhere in here, and all of the drip lines were not having enough pressure, and so we had to turn the valve off. And so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to repair this damage here. I went to Lowe's last night and I got some connectors and an additional 2 feet of line just in case I need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the water on so that I can see where the water is shooting out, so I could move the dirt out and then take care of the repair. So there it is. So I'm gonna move the dirt out from the area and I'm gonna take care of the repair. Alright, so now I'm going to turn the water on, hopefully. Let me close this one, making sure there's no water coming out. Looks dry, and it is dry. Okay, well that did it. That seems to take care of this. I am going to put the dirt back in and then call it a day. Okay, so that's it. Basically, it's all done. Hopefully this video helps you guys, give you some tips on how to take care of a pinch line. We thank you guys so much for joining us, and we'll see you guys on our next video.